All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to give you another Fold 7 case review. And this is BENKS Armor Air Grand Combo. So there's a lot of things in this box that you can see here. Let's look at the corner here. You see you've got a front case, the fold case, and a screen protector in here. So we're going to crack this open here. You can pause this and take a look at it and read all the information you like. This is what it will look like when you get yours in the mail. If you decide to purchase, I'll leave links in the description. So be sure to check that out. The Fold series is way more popular than what you might see or hear because tons of requests come in daily. There's a lot of people buying, and there's a lot of people that purchased. At the recording this video, some of you guys' device might be out for delivery. You might have it already. I don't know. But it is July 23rd. And yeah, you should have it today. Some of you guys have it already. I've noticed that some people have it already and some people don't. So here is the Glass Warrior screen protector. Here is the protector. Ooh, they're not messing around. So this one has like the black edge around it there. So we'll put this aside for now. I already have a tempered glass on mine, so I don't think I'm going to take it off, but it's just a tempered glass installed. And this is a kit that you get. And this is the famous BENKS dust removal tool, the full one, 2008. I love that. All right. And here is the fold case. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at this and put this on, obviously, because this is what you're here for. All right, let's pop it out here. All right. Oh, yeah, I knew what this looked like before I took it out, because they sent me pictures and everything. Look at this nice Kevlar, big K there. This if I didn't say it, folks, you know what you need to do. Hashtag open up. Open up in the comments. Check this out, man. Nice gold accents. Nice trim on here. There's your MagSafe magnetic power. And they including a little adhesive strip. There's some misconfusion about these strips right here. These aren't the sticky ones that are to help fully stick. They're just for grip. They don't leave any residue on the products. As you can see here, I was using one from another company for the last 48 to 72 hours, and there's no residue on there. All right, so now this is going to be the front case, and the companies now are including the front case. I'm surprised. BENKS was one, Pataka was one. They did not include a front case, and now they are. They're all doing front cases now, so that makes it legit for a lot of people who wanted a front case. And it's the same material and design as the back case, obviously. So this is a very sleek, and again, these are very weak when they're not on the phone. But once you get them on there, snug fit, perfect. Now, again, I know a tempered glass was in the box, but I just installed a tempered glass, and it's just going to be a tempered glass. Theirs just has a different kind of design to it with the black border. So I want to leave that on, but I am going to show you this case, and that's if you're ordering this combo kit, you know what you're getting. So let me get these labels off here. BENKS. Oh, yeah, they're doing it now. Got the front case, and they're giving you what you wanted. A lot of people said, "Oh, I need the front piece," and a lot of people said, "I'm spending that kind of money on the front piece. I gotta have it." And now what I'm starting to notice is people saying, that front piece looks crazy. It's too weak." It's just incredible. Incredible. All right, so let's peel this off. And there any more? No, there's no more. Just one on the BENKS, and then just one on here on the interior. Again, you don't have to take these off. I typically don't take them off, but I'm going to go ahead and just see if they make a difference. And, you know, most times they do. It's heated up. It's hot. See if I can get it off of here. There we go. Let me not bore you with this. All right, adhesive, a strip or a little plastic strip is off there. Okay. We're going to bring the device in. Yeah, see this area right here is just adds a little bit more grip and keeping it on the device. But the previous BENKS device, the previous BENKS case for the other version of the Fold 6, it didn't have that. Let me see if I can find it somewhere around here. I don't think it did. Oh, I think it did have it. Yeah, it did have it. I didn't even notice it. Here's the 6 version, and here's the 7 version. I like what they've done. The device is, man, look at that. It just goes to show you how thin this current device is. This is incredible. All right, so we'll go ahead and go in like this. Oops, sorry, we've got to clean our device. Just give it a wipe down. It could be anything in there. Just give it a wipe down. All right, we'll go in like this. And again, a lot of you guys, this is the way I used it the entire time before. But so many people said, and BENKS listened now, so you can't hate on them. They listened. So what's going to be the thing to say now that BENKS has given you what you wanted? And it plays well with non-OEM BENKS cases. Oh man, I gotta admit, this BENKS is sexy. Depending on what color you have, especially if you have black, you know, black goes with everything. The gold around here looks like a little gold color or whatever. Real brushed, like real dull gold, but this is a sleek case. It really is. You can see I was testing the fingerprint area there for you. Folks, this is nice. I mean, this is a very sleek, subtle touch. And also they give you hinge protection. So some of you guys were very agitated with another case that I put out that didn't have hinge protection. Well, we all know that BENKS offers hinge protection. Now, BENKS also offers these cases without hinge protection. But, you know, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And I'm proud of BENKS for putting in the front piece there. So many people complained, and again, when I say complained, I don't mean derogatory terms. I mean, just you said you needed it and you had to have it and it's more uniformed. Now you have it. BENKS has given you a front piece now, and they've continued with their hinge protection. And this is just one of many cases that they'll offer for the Fold 7. So I really hope you get your orders in. I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab this. But this is very sleek and very sexy. So I like the pattern on here too. It's not the standard carbon fiber look, you know, because these are all Kevlar cases made from Kevlar. So they're very strong. And again, once you get it on your actual phone, the case becomes one with the phone. I mean, and I'm just speaking solely about this front piece right here. It just becomes one with the phone. And I said that on the other phone case that I did. It just feels really thin, weak, and you can snap it in your hand, obviously. But once you get it on, these are those cases that people who just don't want to wear a case, this is the full protection for the Z Fold 7 for the ultra thin community. Yeah, ultra thin community. You got your hinge protection right there. That's what you wanted. You got all your ports and everything. It's cut out. It's perfectly fine right there. And this is kind of like a different nice pattern on there. You got everything open there. Make sure all your ports and everything are open, folks, because when you start to use your phone, you want to make sure that you're getting all your microphones. So there it is, man. Single camera cutout right there. Triple camera there. It's nice, man. There is no denying. This is a beautiful setup right here. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wow. What do you think about this one? I need hinge protection. I'm not spending that kind of money without hinge protection. I need a front protection. I want the front piece. Well, BENKS stepped up to the plate this year and they brought it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the descriptions. Clicking that link, getting your order in, and I'll also see you in the comments. Take care. Hey, did you get your Fold yet? If you haven't, there's a link in the description where you can grab one. Discounts will still be good at the recording of this video. You might even get a little bit more. It depends. You know, Samsung sometimes changes it up. and gives more after the fact. Sometimes the launch is just a good launch, and then after the launch, it's a great launch, depending on how sales went initially for them or what they think they should do for the consumer. So hopefully you can get some good trade-in deals, or just get a good device and get it in time for your needs or whatever you're going to use it for. So get your case ordering on and get your phone ordering on. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.